A school is not just a building, it is a haven for learning, growth, and development. This year, we made efforts to document and preserve the essence of our school through images that reflect our commitment to education. Mater Dei International School stands as a testament to the visionary leadership of Mar Paul Alapat, the Bishop of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Ramanathapuram. His dedication to quality education, moral integrity, and holistic development has laid the foundation for an institution that nurtures both intellect and character. The administrative block serves as the backbone of our institution. It houses the offices of our leadership team and is a center where policies, planning, and administrative activities take place to ensure a seamless learning experience. Our well-structured admin block reflects the efficiency and organization that define our school's functioning. The combined efforts of our correspondent, pro-correspondent, assistant correspondent, and principal ma'am have been instrumental in shaping a progressive learning environment. Their strategic vision has led to innovative educational initiatives, teacher development programs, and infrastructural enhancements. Our dedicated teachers have played a crucial role in nurturing our young learners. Their unwavering commitment to creating engaging and interactive classroom environments has contributed significantly to the holistic development of students. Our kindergarten classrooms are designed to be vibrant, child-friendly spaces that stimulate curiosity and creativity. This year, we introduced new learning aids, sensory play areas, and interactive boards to make early learning more engaging and effective. Alongside these enhancements, our dedicated caretakers have played a vital role in ensuring a safe, clean, and nurturing environment for our little ones. Their constant care and support have helped create a warm and comfortable space where children feel secure, valued, and ready to explore the joy of learning. To start with, the Freshers' Day commenced on 12/6/2024, where we officially welcomed our newest batch young learners to the Mater Dei family. It was not just a family event, but the beginning of a wonderful journey filled with learning, laughter, and new friendships. After the event, our young learners were taken to their respective classrooms where they were made to do few activities and were adorned with colorful handbands and crowns. Learning beyond the classroom. Our morning assemblies serve as a platform for students to develop confidence and learn about social values. This year's theme was Sustainable Living that focused on two key themes. Sustainable transportation. With environmental consciousness becoming a global necessity, our students were encouraged to adopt sustainable transport methods. The assembly aimed to instill awareness about reducing pollution and promoting greener transportation. The key highlights were presentation on eco-friendly modes of transportation like cycling, carpooling, and public transport, and an awareness drive where students shared their ideas on how they can contribute to a cleaner environment by choosing sustainable transportation methods. Eco-friendly gardening. Gardening is a wonderful way to teach children about sustainability and responsibility. Our students participated in hands-on gardening activities where they learned about planting seeds, composting, and nurturing plants. At our school, we follow a well-balanced food chart that ensures our children receive the right nutrition every day. With a mix of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and whole grains, the chart promotes healthy eating habits and overall well-being. Our Kindergarten Sports Day was not just about athleticism, but also about fostering environmental awareness from a young age. The little champions of KG took part in a vibrant parade showcasing sustainable transportation, Go Green initiatives, and waste management. The highlight of the Kiddie Carnival was the flower drill by our kindergartners. Their synchronized formations symbolize teamwork, unity, and the nurturing environment in which they grow. As a part of Ad Astra, our Little Stars showcased a lively and educational performance on germination of seeds, demonstrating the magical journey of a tiny seed growing into a plant through an engaging skit. They depicted how a seed sprouts with right conditions. Our little stars put up a delightful and colorful performance on seasons, bringing the magic of nature to life. Our young learners presented a heartwarming role play on obedience, enacting the characters of the fairy tale Rapunzel, teaching the importance of listening, respect, and following rules in fun and engaging way. The play concluded with a simple yet powerful message: obedience leads to safety, happiness, and success. Speak to Lead contest was conducted every 2 months throughout the year. This initiative was designed to enhance students' public speaking skills, boost their confidence, and encourage effective communication. Our school conducted series of engaging do and learn activities, allowing students to experience real-world learning through hands-on participation. These activities help children understand essential life skills. Students participated in a demonstration of how cows are milked and learned about the journey of milk from farm to home, and how hens lay eggs and understood the role of poultry farming. A fun-filled vegetable market was set up where the teacher and students played the roles of vendor and buyer. Students actively participated in making a healthy fruit salad, identify various fruits, their nutritional benefits, and the importance of a balanced diet. A playful way to introduce addition was done where children added bananas to a monkey's basket to complete simple sums. An activity called feeding candies to a girl on subtraction was done. Students practiced subtraction by giving away candies to a little girl and calculating how many were left. Using a large model clock, children learn how to read and set different times through a hands-on different approach. The hands-on learning activities successfully made learning enjoyable and interactive, reinforcing classroom lessons. Encourage critical thinking, problem solving, and an appreciation for everyday concepts. Our classroom activities extended beyond textbooks, offering students hands-on learning experiences. Topics such as seasons and water cycle were taught through engaging visual aids and experiments, helping children grasp fundamental scientific concepts in an interactive way. Twinkle Week was a fun-filled and exciting celebration where our little stars shine brightly, showcasing their talents in storytelling, recitation, drawing, and role play. With enthusiasm and creativity, they transported us into magical stories, recited poems with confidence, and brought characters to life through role play. The entire week was filled with laughter, learning, and joy, making every child feel special and celebrated. The event concluded with cheers and appreciation, leaving behind beautiful memories of a week that truly sparkled with talent and happiness. Our school organized an educational trip to the Child Traffic Park. The trip aimed to develop awareness of road safety measures in an interactive and engaging manner. They learned how to safely cross the road, use footpath, and identify traffic signals. Our annual day, Aura Beyond Screens, was a spectacular celebration of creativity and expression. The highlight of the event was a heartwarming skit on Cinderella, where our little performers brought the classic fairy tale to life with charm and enthusiasm. Adding to the magic, our young dancers mesmerized the audience with a vibrant dance portraying animals, spreading joy and a message of harmony with nature. Snapshot Day at our school was a day filled with smiles, creating moments to treasure for years to come, from candid shots to beautifully captured class photos. Our school organized a fun-filled picnic to Coimbatore, offering students a well-deserved break from academics while fostering social bonding and outdoor enjoyment. The trip provided a perfect blend of adventure, relaxation, and team activities, making it a memorable day for all. Students enjoyed dry ride and water games, which promoted teamwork. Finally, we celebrated Food Sharing Day, fostering a sense of community, empathy, and cultural appreciation among students and staff. The event aimed to highlight the joy of sharing and the diversity of culinary traditions within our school community. This journey has been truly remarkable, with our little learners exploring new horizons, growing in confidence, and creating a strong foundation for their future.